What is benchmarking in education system? The strategy of benchmarking is important, both conceptually and practically, and is being used for improvising administrative processes as well as instructional models at colleges and universities. By examining processes and models at other schools and adapting the techniques and approaches. Reference Chaffee and Sherr 1992, Clark 1993. More concisely, benchmarking is an ongoing, systematic process for measuring and comparing the work processes of one organization to those of another. By bringing an external focus to internal activities, functions, or operations. Reference Kempner 1993. The goal of benchmarking is to provide key personnel in charge of processes with an external standard for measuring the quality and cost of internal activities, and to help identify where opportunities for improvement may reside. Benchmarking is analogous to the human learning process, and it has been described as a method of teaching an institution how to improve. Reference Lipford and Kempner 1992. Benchmarking attempts to answer the following questions. How well are we doing compared to others? How good do we want to be? Who is doing it the best? How do they do it? How can we adapt what they do to our institution? How can we be better than the best? Reference Kempner 1993. For inspiration, kids don't remember what you try to teach them. They remember what you are. By Jim Henson,